Hello! Welcome to our Flat for Education video tutorials. Flat for Education is the best solution to create any music notation activity on Schoology. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your Schoology integration. Let's get started. First, go to your account settings, click on Integrations and choose Schoology. Now, copy the consumer key and shared secret. On the app page, click on Install LTI app and choose the course where you'll use Flat. Open the course, click on Course Options, then External Tools. Choose Flat and enter the configuration settings obtained before. That's all. Our integration includes SSO, single sign-on, accounts provisioning, and rostering. When you set the integration, we'll automatically create accounts for your students and link the existing ones from your private Flat website based on the emails provided by Schoology. This is all for now. In the next video, you'll learn how to create assignments using Flat for Education on Schoology. Bye!